Hi, Mr. Stan 913 here. Today I want to talk about a rake I bought at Lowe's. It's called a Dethatching Rake. And this is a Craftsman Thatching Rake. And what a Dethatcher does is that your grass builds up a lot of dead grass in the off season during the summer, and it can't get any nutrients from the rain or when you put some fertilizer in. So what this Dethatching Rake does, it digs the old grass out of the ground so that it can get some moisture in the ground. Now there's two different things with the Dethatching Rake. You have these little curved angles. This is if you want to dig into the ground and then seed. But what I want to do is I want to dethatch. So I'm going to use the straight edge part of the Dethatcher. And what I also can do with this is you can change the angle of the Dethatcher. If you want to go deep into the grass, you do a heavy dethatching, you can just change the angle. I have it kind of like not heavy. I have it a little up so I can not get a lot of the grass out, because this is really my first time dethatching. So what I want to do is show you how to dethatch. So I've been doing my yard, and all you do is just go back and forth like so. And if you can see, the grass, the old grass is coming out. You're just dethatching it out. And then you see I dug into the ground too high there, too low I mean. So what I'm doing is going deeper, less deep. And you see that grass coming out. This is what they call thatch. So it's actually grass that is blocking the new grass of coming up for the year. So I just keep going along here until I get a row. You see? Just keep dethatching. And you can just keep going like this. And this is zoysia grass. And zoysia grass grows with the heat. And I read online that it's good to dethatch zoysia grass around early spring. So we're in Pennsylvania and this is early spring. So I'm dethatching now before the zoysia really starts to grow. Zoysia grass really looks good during the summertime when you have the heat. Doesn't really need a lot of water. It just needs a lot of sun, a lot of heat. Anywhere where you have trees, zoysia grass won't grow. But look at all this old grass coming up from the fall, from last summer. And this is just thatch that you can't get anything into the ground like water. So this is going to help to get the water into the ground, give you some nutrients in your ground. What I'll do later on, I'll come with some lime and I'll lime the grass, the dirt, so I can get some nutrients in there. But this is what it does, and I just make a row. And then what I do is, I just get my rake later on. I'll get my rake and I'll just scrape up the rest of what I missed. And then I just fill up my leaf bag. And this is really good. Some people can use this for when they want to plant other things. They'll use this dead grass for when they want to use to plant new grass. They'll cover it to get some moisture in there. But I just like, this is my first time using it. And I really like it. It's really heavy on the arms, but guess what? It gives you good exercise, gets you out in the elements here. Look at this. Look at how it's getting all that up. And again, I bought this at Lowe's. It's a Craftsman. There's other brands you can buy, but this is what Lowe's had. Lowe's is now starting to buy Craftsman. So I recommend this to anybody. So again, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us decide on what videos we should put out on our site. And please subscribe to our site, because we're really trying to get our site going and we really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again soon.